Hey. Ah! You ripped it! You ripped the money!
We rich. Look.
We're not rich!
We're rich.
We're broke!
We're rich.
You gotta fake it to make it! We're broke!
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, that couldn't be me because
Don't have the capacity
to be throwing out 100s. Maybe 10 shekels. Well, that depends on my budget though.
It's not looking good, bruv. It's not looking good.
And talking about budget, I see some of y'all doing well. Y'all living well within your means, you know. But then I see some other people. Yeah. I'm gonna need you to get your act together, brother. Like, well, it's time to stop budgeting. So what is budgeting? Budgeting is the creation of a plan on how to spend your money. To budget is to track your income and your expenses. You want the money coming into your bank account to be larger than the money going out of your bank account. It's important that we have a plan for money. As you know what Big Benji said, if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail.
Yes, sir.
Now, as an obvious disclaimer, you know, I discussed in one of my first videos that everybody's got a different money personality and a different financial position. And what may work for you may not work for other people. So here are a few ways to budget your money, depending on your style. Now, the first budget is the easiest one. It's called the 50-30-20 rule. Now, when your money hits the account, you want to split your paycheck into 3 different categories. 50% needs, this is your essentials to living, you know, your rent.
How to keep the rent low, but you ain't got a tool on you. Oh, they shoot!
Your gas, your water bill, your groceries.
Excuse me, sir. Where's the meat at? Do you know?
Huh?
Hey, my fault, big bro.
Now, 30% is your wants, nice to have, aka the splurge. This is your, you know, your Michael Jordan shoes.
Take them all there, boy.
You know, your video games, your vapes. And lastly, we got 20% savings. This is your legacy, you know, your high interest savings accounts, your investments, you're paying debts, you know. As nice, simple, and straightforward, this budget has one major disadvantage. It's easy to overspend if all your accounts are linked to the one account. Now, which is why a lot of people keep their 20% savings in a different bank account. And if the bank allows an automated process to transfer to a different bank account. So let's say you just got paid, 50 and 30 will go to the one account, and that 20% will go to a different account. And there's also some other variations where instead of 50-30-20, it's 50-20-20-10, where the 10 is giving. But again, that depends on your circumstances. Adjust it to your needs, man. Back in my day, the 50-30-20 rule, it was 50% alcohol, 20% HSP, and 20% Barack. Come on, bro. Nah. And I know what you're wondering. What did I have for breakfast, lunch, and dinner? Well, that's easy. I had roadkill. Today we're having rat. Call me Remy because we having ratatouille.
I beg your pardon?
I'll be shoving it up. At least I still budgeted, man. At least I still budgeted. The second budgeting type is called the cash envelope. I know what you're thinking. What the hell is this? Now, this is the old form of budgeting, where instead of keeping your money in the bank, you keep it in cold, hard cash. What you want to do is when you get your payment, you divide it into categories that you can pay over the counter with cash. Now, this method is for the oldies, and for the people that get paid under the table, you know, doing alleged stuff. You feel me? Stupid. Let's be honest. People getting paid in cash these days, yeah, you're dodgy as hell. When you first get paid, you want to divide your pay into separate categories. Like groceries will have one envelope, takeout will have another envelope, your savings will have another envelope, even your gas will have another envelope. The train of thought behind this one is that you don't overspend at the shops. So, for example, if you have $200 for the groceries, you better spend $200. You're not gonna negotiate the groceries. Put those donuts away, bro. You good to go, okay? Now, the obvious disadvantage of this as well, if you lose your envelopes or you get robbed, yeah, good luck, bro. Good luck saving until your next paycheck, bro. Good luck. Now, I've never seen someone use the cash envelope budget, but hey, let me know if you're gonna use this method. I want to see how you guys use it in person. Yeah. I want to see how you guys use it. Yeah. Make sure it's all your envelopes. I just don't want to see the one. Thank you. And now we got the third budget style. Now this is the traditional Excel budget. Now this is the advanced one, the advanced budget tracker for your Jimmy Neutron head ass, your Donatello Shrek built ass, your Gretchen head ass. Now hold on, Gretchen. Now that's a violation, my bad. Anyways, this is the most time and energy consuming budget where you have to track all your income and expenses. I'm talking about you have to track your antiviruses, your interest paid, the money that your auntie owes you, like everything. Now the Excel spreadsheet will look something like this. We have 4 different categories. You got your income in the first few rows, your expenses in the middle of the page, your savings down there, and you got your projected balance down the bottom, which is just a quick balance check to make sure that all your cash is accounted for. And then based on your past incomes and your expenses, you just fill out the whole Excel. And if you want to go the extra step, you can break down the budget into weekly and then yearly if you want to get a bigger idea of how much everything costs. Now, the major disadvantage of this, it's time consuming. It's energy consuming. Because you have to concentrate and label every purchase by going through your past transactions, looking at your bank statements, all that jazz, as well as accounting for future transactions like your birthday gifts, your Christmas gifts. Now, before you start implementing these, or if you already have your budget already set out, here's some common budget mistakes. Number 1, you want to slowly transition to your budget style, especially if you get paid monthly. R.I.P. Last thing you want to do is say that you're only going to spend $100 on groceries, and then boom, the new Spider-Man 2 comes out, and you're like, damn, I wish I had some leftover money. And now you just eating another box of noodles, bro. Now, second tip is that once you transition to your new budgeting style, you want to reiterate it and evolve the budget every now and then. Like, look at your past purchases and then decide if you want to spend less on a certain item or just get rid of it altogether. What I've been doing is, allegedly, I've been using my friend subscriptions. Allegedly, of course. Allegedly. Definitely help you a lot with your budget. If you just want to say, hey, bro, what's your password for your Netflix? And if you know they have a Netflix and Amazon, you can bet your ass to use the same password and boom, that's how you get Amazon Prime for free. Now, third is that you want to set some goals for your budget, or you want that, whether that be like saving 3 months of your annual income for like an emergency fund or for that BBL. Hey, I'm not judging, bro. Do you, bro? Yeah, what you want to do is just sort of have some goals for everything. So you want to have like for me, it's trying to be like Julius. Julius from Everybody Hates Chris is what you want to strive to be like. Come on, bro. Like that way he calculates his budget, the way he knows how much something costs, his big muscle. Oh wait. I didn't mean like his big brain power. Come on now. Now he's the best TV dad for sure, like 100%. But that's another debate for another time. Yo, if you learned something new, might as well leave a like and subscribe and put down in the comment section what budgeting style you might use. I know, shameless plug, but I need another income. My other income doesn't work.